Not sure how far I'll get because wifey has to go work, so I've got to go look after OMG. Alrighty then. The plan for today. Well, I finished off these pods yesterday, so what I've got to do now is do the chain guard for up the centre and cover the idle shaft. I might as well take the chains off because they're not really required anymore. I just got to mark where this one sits. And apart from that, they're not needed on the chassis anymore, so all the chains can come off now. So for the next CAD template, we've got wheat bix. Something like that. Well, we'll start with something like that. It'll probably change in this area. So, a couple of pieces. So that's the first piece in. It's going to be 25mm off the center console. So I'm going to make the cover in two halves. I'm going to take the end off this brake pedal as well. I'm going to make the cover in two halves. So there's going to be a strip here. There's just the 25mm that'll have the fold over and a fold up. And the strip over here, which is width of the center console plus that 25mm, and then that'll go all the way around there. And then I haven't quite decided whether on what I'm doing with that other little bit, but it's going to get covered as well. So 2 more pieces. Lots more curve. It's a fairly nice radius, so I might just recut this to suit. Fits beautifully now. Now I've got a template for the other side. Got 3 of the pieces made, so I'm going to stick them together and then work out where the folder is going on the last piece. Just going to check it before I fully weld it, because if it needs to be adjusted, then it's easier just to cut 2 tacks than 7. Fits beautifully. Don't know why I've ever questioned myself. Next piece, I've got to fill this gap in. So I put 1 fold in that piece already. So he's going to go there, and then I can mark on here where the next fold's going to be. I ran out of time. Didn't get this little bit done, but that bit's looking really nice. I got to go around the edge and follow up, and yeah, very happy with that. I mean, I haven't done any of the mounting on any of it. Might end up putting extra tags just coming out next to the chassis rails and putting my bolts in those, or even just putting in captive bolts like I've done everywhere else. Either way will work, but I've got to do all the external paneling and all the other pieces first before I can even think about doing that. Time for me to sit in this and see what I think. Wouldn't want this chain guard to be any wider at the front. My boot is rubbing on the chain guard and the shifter. That shouldn't be an issue. plenty of room for the accelerator pedal. What's the room for me boot there? Just I got the chain guard done. Didn't get this last bit done covering the idle shaft, jack shaft. There's probably other names for it as well. Yeah, I thought I might run out of time. So anyway, at least I can cross something off the list for today. I've been staring at this piece here. I don't like it. So I'm going to weld this piece in here and then finish off the capping strip on the top. That just looks unfinished, and well, if I'm not happy with it, I'll never be happy with it. So anyway, a subscriber noticed that my gloves were falling apart and that my fingers were coming out of them. I was actually going to go buy new gloves tomorrow, and well, he donated me 2 pairs of welding gloves, and he also offered the loan of a small 3-in-1 machine, so a roller, a guillotine and a folder, so I shouldn't have to do so much cutting with the grinder to do this sort of work. That could be handy, having a roller to put a curve in that. It'd be a little bit quicker than doing these edges, but these edges do come up nice. So anyway, tomorrow's video is going to be a road trip to go pick up this machine, and I've got to do a repair job on my computer mouse. Yes. It fell off the bench a few too many times, landing on the cord, and it's broken a wire inside the cord. So I'm just going to shorten the cord, resolder it, and that's going to save me $10–15 on the cheapest mouse available at the shops. So I'd rather save me $10 and fix something that's only slightly damaged, and then that $10 can go towards, like, I could go buy 4 more cut-off wheels, or maybe a linishing wheel. The options. So anyway, thanks for the gloves, and well, repair things if you can. And as always, customize everything.